So good day everyone, I am Armand Francisco from BTLET HE2A. So for today's video, I am going to show you the different kinds of farming activities. So without further ado, let's get started.
We're going to learn on the pests and these pests that you might encounter in your garden vegetable. These are garden vegetable comprising of spinach. We also have kales, and we have indigenous vegetable. That is the African nightshade, commonly known as managu. And we're going to straight away see the pests that you might encounter in your small garden. First of all, we have whiteflies. Whiteflies has really infested this crop, and you can see from the lower side here, those are the whiteflies. We also have leaf miner that has made marks on the leaves. The leaf miner always affect or moves within the crop veins. And then finally we have aphids. These are the pests that you are likely to encounter in your garden crop vegetable, that is aphids. However, these pests can as well be controlled by using chemicals, but now you can comfortably go to the agrovet or to your chemical vendor and ask for the correct chemical for your pests in the farm. You can easily now identify them and able to get the right chemical with the right chemical ingredient. Thank you for today.
Agriculture is a primary activity which includes growing crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers, and rearing of livestock. It is an age-old economic activity in our country. At present, different farming systems are practiced across the country. Depending upon the geographical conditions, demand of produce, labor, and level of technology, farming can be classified into two types: subsistence farming and commercial farming. Subsistence type of farming is practiced to meet the needs of the farmer's family. It can be further classified as primitive subsistence farming and intensive subsistence farming. Primitive subsistence farming. Primitive subsistence agriculture is practiced on small patches of land with the help of primitive tools like hoe, dhow, and digging sticks, and family or community labor. This type of farming depends upon monsoon, natural fertility of the soil, and suitability of other environmental conditions for the crops grown. It includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Shifting cultivation. It is a slash and burn agriculture. Farmers clear a patch of land and produce food crops to sustain their family. When the soil fertility decreases, the farmers shift and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. It is known by different names in different parts of the country. It is booming in northeastern states like Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Nagaland, Pamlau in Manipur, Deepa in Bastar district of Chhattisgarh, Bivar or Dahiya in Madhya Pradesh, Podu or Pinda in Andhra Pradesh, Pamadabi or Koman or Bringa in Orissa, Kumari in Western Ghats, Valre or Waltre in southeastern Rajasthan, Khil in the Himalayan belt, and Guruba in Jharkhand. Nomadic herding is practiced in some parts of India like Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. In this type of farming, herdsmen move from place to place with their animals for fodder and water along defined routes. This type of movement arises in response to climatic constraints and terrain. Sheep, camel, yak, and goats are most commonly reared. Intensive subsistence farming. It is practiced in areas of high population density. It is labor-intensive farming. Biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Commercial farming. In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in the market. Modern inputs such as high-yielding variety HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides are used to obtain higher productivity. Plantation. In this type of farming, a single crop is grown on a large area. It covers large tracts of land using capital-intensive inputs with the help of migrant laborers. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, bananas, etc. are important plantation crops. It is market-oriented farming, therefore, a well-developed network of transport and communication plays an important role in the development of plantations.